Hi! In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock at the top and tap on Face Unlock. Following that, you need to tap on Set It Up at the bottom right corner. Then continue also at the bottom right corner. And remember to keep your face in frame. When you finished, select Continue. Then, if you don't have any other locking method, it's very important to set it up. Just in case Face Unlock won't work. Just create it, hit Continue, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Then select OK. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!